Hey, welcome back. You made it. Part 4 of 4. We're going to talk about the accident indemnity plan. It is the plan that everyone gets, even if you don't get anything. It's one of the best value plans that we have through Reference Insurance. I have a special deal with AFLAC in which we have what's basically an off-menu type of group accident indemnity plan. It's cheaper than AFLAC, regular AFLAC at retail rates. It's just so inexpensive, and what it does is just fantastic. It's one of the best value plans you can get. So it's very inexpensive. When I say that, literally, it's $10 a paycheck. Okay, it's like $10 a paycheck, $5 a week. You can't get anything that's worth having for $5. This is well worth it. It can pay out a huge cash sum to you, and it'll pay in addition to your OJI benefits, and it'll pay in addition to your AFLAC short-term disability. A lot of times, in many instances, I've seen that the accident policy actually pays out more than the disability policy pays to our member. I help you guys file claims. That's our thing. I'm here to help you. If you need to file a claim, you don't have to call an 800 number. You call me. I have a full-time claims administrator to help you file a claim. We'll get you all the forms, all the paperwork, and walk you through what you need to do to file a claim. I tell everyone, I don't know how to fix a plane. You guys probably don't know how to file an insurance claim. You guys take care of the planes. Let me take care of the claims for you. I'm here not just to talk to you on this video, but actually I'll be working with you closely throughout your career here. Just give me a call if you ever need anything. So going back to the accident policy, it's $10 a paycheck, but there's an annual wellness benefit that you can also file in this just for going and getting a physical. So if you factor the amount of money it pays to you just for going to get your physical, the policy works out to be about less than $4 a week. It's silly money. All right, I don't want to belabor it. It's a very good deal. I highly recommend getting this policy because of that. I think everyone should have one. End of that subject. So look at the brochure and the packet or online and just kind of do some calculations with this accident policy. Imagine if you had a car accident and you were hospitalized. That type of injury, the payout is simply enormous for a policy that costs $10 a paycheck. I think that you can kind of calculate, you may not have an accident for years, and one claim on this thing, it'll more than offset what you're paying in premium. Can I cover your spouse and kids? Absolutely. Kids play sports, you need this coverage on them. If you drive a motorcycle or an ATV, it's smart to have this thing. And since it will pay for an on-the-job accident, in addition to OJI, let's consider what occupation we have here. There's a million ways to be hurt. Now, I know the union preaches safety. No one wants to get hurt, but accidents do happen. Prepare for the what-ifs. The accident policy is a good thing to get. That's all I want to cover on benefits for now, but I do so much more for you. In the future, many of you will call me and ask for help setting up a revocable family trust or a trust for a special needs child. I'll put you in touch with our attorneys with that. Just talk to me. Many of you will want to, when you retire, roll over your 401k, either from a previous employer or if you retire. A lot of you guys came from other airlines and you want to do a 401k rollover, I can do that for you. A lot of y'all are interested about long-term care. If you have an older family member, you've probably seen how expensive it is to put a family member into a long-term care facility. I have some ideas how to meet those financial needs to do something like that. But basically, any insurance need that you have, guys. Dental coverage for a child aging off your health coverage. I have that too. Anything you don't get from the airline, I either have or I can get it for you. Call me with any insurance or financial need. I'll give you good, honest information. I have other professions that I work with, lawyers, trust attorneys, accountants, annuities, generational wealth transfer strategies. I've got a lot of access to a lot of different professionals that are here to help you. The union has kept me as their broker for nearly 2 decades. I'm here to help you. So call me, 214-718-8806, or click on the QR code and schedule a time that we can talk about your specific needs. I want to say welcome to AMFA, welcome to Southwest Airlines. Be safe, and I'll see you when I see you.